Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Darlington, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Argyle, Wyoda, South Wayne, Fayette, Lemont, Gratiot, Yellowstone Lake State Park, Calamine, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.